the sun starts to rise. So mama, don't stress your mind.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me, Provinciana Sensation. O ganiya kami karon sa Panabo City para sa ilahang Lights Up 2019. So guys, na-iwit kami pag-abot. Nakapami sa kalsada while nag-fireworks si Mayor. Oh! Ay! May fireworks. So nanagip kami trian sa pasugan ni Mayor. Here we go, sudlan na nato ang dapat sudlon. Oh my gosh, sudlon gayot. Hair siya pa. Lamig kayo tanaw ng patanaw hair. Matuta sa tunga para makita na to ang 360 view ni ining ilang pasugan ni Mayor, no?
Pumuputi-putita, pumupusi-putita, pusi-pusila, pumupusi-pusila, ganyan ang indak ng mga kumpila. Ikindat-kindat, pumupura-pura, buwan ang iyong mga mata. Hello? Hello? Kinsa ni? Mama ni mo ni. Hala mama, sarang ka. Padulong ako na ko. Paghuwat mo pa si mong papa. Excited kayong papa. Dali po kay gimingon na si papa si mo. Lagi oy. Ay, lagi pag-amping mo. Sige ma. The Christmas tree and the Christmas garland. Listen to how you can see every couple trying to stop. Jingle bells, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time and jingle bell time. Jingle bells square in the frosty air. What a bright time, it's a bright time to up the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh.
Merry Christmas!
This is my favorite time of year. Every December I think the snow. Listen up for the bell, big jingle bells rocking. All the kids ready for Santa to bring. Singing out the fireplace behind my stocking. I hope I'll find you in it. Christmas tree, yes, this is Christmas.
that's all for tonight. Nasuri na gid na mo
Okay,
ang
kayo.
pa-lights diri ni Mayor here in Panabo City. So, sa inyo hang masulti.
Nindot kay dagan kay palait si Mayor.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and of course, Robby.
Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and
Dagan kay
subscribe on his channel, Rodel Salvarez. And don't forget to like also my
Click here.
click here. Guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to